Can you believe a pile of discarded scrap worth just a few dollars can be transformed into a luxury masterpiece valued at tens of thousands of dollars today? Today, we step deep into the world of intense fire and fine art to witness the greatest industrial resurrection of all time, from waste to gold. Witness the raw power of transformation as we take these forgotten materials and prepare them for a journey through extreme heat and expert craftsmanship. The heat is rising as we prepare to melt down the past. This glowing liquid is the foundation of everything beautiful we are about to create.
This massive furnace operates at over 2,000 degrees Celsius, essential for purifying the metal before the casting process begins.
As you can see, the heat coming off this furnace is incredible. It's the core of our operation here, running 24 hours a day.
And absolute precision. Let us begin our exploration of how waste turns into the ultimate symbol of royal luxury. The first stage is all about selection and purification. We start by gathering massive amounts of scrap metal and separating the valuable copper from common iron. This giant shredder makes quick work of old engines and pipes. It is a necessary destruction that allows us to reclaim the pure metal hidden inside. Modern technology plays a huge role here. Powerful air jets and sensors help us filter out the dust and debris, leaving only the high-quality metal behind. Precision is key even at this early stage. Operators monitor every detail on digital screens to ensure that only the purest copper continues to the next phase. We are looking for copper with a purity of at least 95%. Anything less would compromise the structural integrity and beauty of the final bathtub. These clean granules are the refined essence of what used to be trash. They are now ready for the ultimate trial by fire in the furnace. Thousands of pounds of material are organized and weighed. The scale of this operation is massive, yet every single pound is accounted for with great care. Using advanced laser spectroscopy, we verify the metal's quality. This ensures that the chemical balance is perfect for the casting process that is about to follow. The sound of pure metal is unmistakable. It is the sound of value being rediscovered and prepared for its transformation into a high-end interior design piece. As the sorting ends, the real heat begins. The furnace is preheated to extreme levels, preparing to receive the raw material for its liquid rebirth. From chaos comes order. We have successfully separated the treasure from the trash, and now the true magic of the foundry is about to take place. At 1,083 degrees Celsius. This is the melting point where solid copper loses its form and becomes a powerful, glowing river of liquid. Watch as the metal melts instantly. The sheer energy required to reach this temperature is immense, turning the workshop into a place of primal, elemental power. Stirring the molten metal ensures a consistent temperature throughout the batch. It requires incredible strength and endurance to work this close to the searing heat. Even at this stage, we are still purifying. Any remaining bits of oxygen or carbon are burned off, leaving behind a perfectly clean and liquid copper alloy. The furnace tilts with mechanical grace. It holds enough liquid metal to create several luxury bathtubs, and every second of this pour must be perfectly timed. Automation meets tradition here. While the metal is ancient, the machines that guide it are state-of-the-art, ensuring a flawless transfer into the heavy casting molds. Look at that radiance. The liquid copper flows with the consistency of water, but the weight of stone, filling every corner of the massive bathtub mold. The mold is designed to withstand extreme thermal shock. It must hold the shape perfectly as the copper begins the slow process of cooling and solidifying. The atmosphere is thick with the scent of hot metal and ozone. This is the birthplace of luxury, forged in the most intense conditions imaginable today. Temperature control is vital during cooling to prevent cracking. We use thermal imaging to track the heat dissipation as the metal returns to a solid state. The transformation is happening right before our eyes. The liquid soul of the copper is being locked into its new grand shape for the very first time. It takes a dedicated team to manage this stage. Every movement is calculated to ensure the metal sets correctly.
Look at the incredible scale of this operation. The heat coming off these molds is intense, creating all this steam. It's absolutely breathtaking.
Only just beginning. The mold is broken to set the metal free. It is a violent but necessary step to unveil the raw form of our future masterpiece bathtub. In its current state, it looks more like a relic from an ancient shipwreck than a luxury item. We must now peel back these layers of oxidation. Sandblasting is the first step of cleaning. The high-velocity particles strip away the burnt residue, slowly revealing the natural warm glow of the pure copper metal. Precision grinding is required to achieve the perfect silhouette. The CNC machine ensures that every curve and edge meets the exact specifications of the original design. Where the machine cannot reach, the human hand takes over. Expert grinders smooth out any remaining imperfections in the metal to create a uniform surface texture. We move through various levels of grit, from coarse to fine, and each pass brings us closer to a surface that is soft to the touch and beautiful. The sound tells a story. A clear, long-lasting ring indicates a perfect cast with no internal air bubbles or cracks that could cause problems in the future. This is hundreds of pounds of solid copper. Its weight is a testament to its quality and the luxury it will provide to its future wealthy owner. Every millimeter counts. Consistency and thickness is crucial for heat retention and durability, ensuring that this tub will last for many generations to come today. The raw form is finished. It has been cleaned, smoothed, and verified. Now, it is time to move from industrial production into the realm of fine art. Now we enter the most delicate phase. An artist carefully hand draws every curve of the intricate patterns that will soon be permanently carved into the copper surface. The first cut is made. With a hammer and chisel, the artist begins to breathe life into the metal, turning a flat surface into a three-dimensional sculpture. These hands have decades of experience. There is no room for error here. One wrong move could ruin weeks of work and thousands of dollars in material. The level of detail is staggering. Each scale and leaf is carved individually, ensuring that no two bathtubs are ever exactly the same, making each a unique masterpiece. Listen to the rhythm of the work. It is a slow and meditative process that requires immense patience and a deep connection between the artist and the metal. As the patterns emerge, the bathtub begins to take on a royal character. The depth of the carving creates shadows that will later dance under bathroom lights. Refining the carvings is just as important as the initial cuts. Every edge must be perfectly smooth so that the tub is as comfortable as it is beautiful. This is the heart of the luxury. These custom designs can range from classical European motifs to powerful mythical creatures. Tailored to the client's specific personal taste, the dust of creation is cleared away. What remains is a stunning display of human skill that no machine could ever hope to replicate with such soul. It is becoming a true kiat. The sheer amount of labor involved in this stage alone is what justifies the incredible price tag of these luxury items. The dedication of these craftsmen is the secret ingredient. They pour their passion into the metal, ensuring that every inch of the tub reflects their high standards. Even the smallest details are polished within the carvings. This adds a layer of depth and shimmer that makes the artwork pop when viewed from any angle. Hundreds of hours pass in this room. The slow transformation is a testament to the value of
The intricacy here is simply astonishing. Look at the way the light catches this edge.
It is a testament to the hands that shaped it.
Yeah.
art radiating from the metal. It is simply breathtaking to witness. As the carving stage ends, the bathtub is almost ready. It has its form and its soul. Now, it needs its final, brilliant, and world-class shine. Polishing begins with a specialized compound. This wax contains fine abrasives that will remove the microscopic scratches and prepare the copper for its final mirror-like finish. The transformation is instantaneous and magical. As the wheel spins, the copper starts to reflect the room around it, glowing with a deep and warm orange light. It takes a delicate touch to polish around the carvings. We must be careful not to wear down the sharp details while still achieving a perfect shine. Final polishing is always done by hand. This ensures that every inch of the surface is checked for imperfections and that the luster is perfectly even everywhere. Look at that reflection. The copper has been polished to such a high degree that it acts exactly like a mirror. It is showcasing the purity of the metal. To preserve this shine, we apply a high-tech nano coating. This invisible layer protects the copper from oxidation and water stains, keeping it bright for many decades. This coating is essential for a functional piece of art. It ensures that the owner can enjoy the beauty of the copper without worrying about constant maintenance. The final mark of quality. The brand logo is etched with laser precision, signifying that this piece has passed all quality inspections and is ready for sale. This logo is a promise of excellence. It connects the raw scrap we saw earlier to the prestigious heritage of the artisans who crafted this amazing piece. The final cleaning is a moment of pride. The team gathers around to admire the results of their hard work, seeing the light dance off the metal. The transformation is complete. The dull, rusted scrap has been entirely forgotten and replaced by a radiant masterpiece that is ready to take center stage in a palace, from the scrapyard to the showroom. The bathtub has arrived at its final destination, where it will be sold to a client who appreciates true craftsmanship. $25,000. It is a significant price, but when you consider the hundreds of hours of labor and the purity of the material, it is fair. This is more than just a place to bathe. It is a statement of status and a love for the fine arts that few can truly afford. Imagine relaxing here, surrounded by the warm glow of copper while looking out at the world. This is the ultimate.
When designing your sanctuary, the tub is central. And as you can see, this one offers both style and unparalleled comfort.
Every single centimeter of this royal copper bathtub. The contrast is unbelievable. It serves as a powerful reminder that with enough creativity and hard work, nothing is truly ever waste or beyond saving in life. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of transformation. It has been a privilege to show you the hidden beauty inside a pile of junk. Until next time, remember that true value is often hidden in plain sight, waiting for the right hands to bring it back to life and glory once forgotten life and glory.